In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name a location on Waze. By the end, you will have your most used spots saved with clear custom names that are easy to recognize. Open Waze. When the app loads, you should see the familiar map view with your current location in the center and the search bar at the top. Take a second to confirm you are online so the map tiles and nearby roads appear clearly. Now tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This opens the search panel where Waze shows recent destinations, suggested places, and categories. You will also see a keyboard so you can type in a place. Search for the address or location you want to save. Type the street address, a business name, or a point of interest. As you type, Waze shows matching results below the search box, often grouped by distance so the closest matches appear first. Picking from these suggestions is usually faster than typing the whole address. Once you see the correct place, select the correct destination from the results list. Tap it once. The map will shift and show a preview screen with the pin on that location, along with its name, address details, and drive button. This preview is where you can add it to your saved places. From here, tap Save. On this screen, Save appears as a button under the place details. When you tap it, Waze opens a small panel where you can edit how this place will appear in your personal list. Enter the name you want, such as Mom's House, Gym, or Office. You can be as specific as you like, for example, Upstairs Gym or Main Office Entrance. Short, clear names work best because they are easier to spot quickly in your saved list and in voice commands. Then tap Done. You will usually see a brief confirmation or the Save button will change state, and the place will now appear in your saved places list. From now on, you can start typing that custom name instead of the full address. Now let us look at naming a location directly from the map when it is not an existing address. Open Waze again so you are back on the main map screen with your position in view. Press and hold the location on the map. After a moment, Waze drops a pin at that point, and a small info banner appears at the bottom with coordinates or nearby road information. This is helpful when the spot is in a large area like a park or a trail. Tap the three dots on that info banner. This opens more actions for that exact pin, without changing anything else on your map. Select Preview Location. The map zooms slightly and you get the familiar preview screen, but this time built from the pin you placed instead of a known address. This lets you save places in open areas like fields or parking lots. Tap Save. Waze will again offer a place to enter a friendly name for that custom point. Enter your preferred name. Think about how you will search for it later, for example, Dog Park Corner or Event Parking Lot. Custom names like this are very useful in places that do not have clear street addresses. Tap Done. The location is now stored in your saved places under that custom name, and you can navigate back to that exact pin anytime. Next, let us rename a location you have already saved. Open Waze so you are back on the main map. Tap the search bar again to open the search panel. Here you will see your recent drives and also a section for saved or your saved places. Open Saved or your saved places. This screen lists your home, work, favorites, and any other locations you have stored, each with the name you chose and often a small icon. If you have many items, scrolling through this list is normal. Find the location you want to rename. Take your time here to avoid editing the wrong one, especially if several have similar names like different offices or stores. Tap the three dots next to it. This opens a small menu attached to that one saved place with actions that only affect this item. Tap Rename. Waze will bring up a simple field showing the current name, ready for you to change it without altering the underlying address or coordinates. Enter the new name. Maybe your friend moved and you want to label it John's New House instead of John's House, or change Gym to Evening Gym. The map link stays the same, only the display name updates. Tap Done. Your saved list will refresh so you can immediately see the new name in place of the old one, and Waze will use that label anywhere this place appears. You have now learned how to name new locations, custom map points, and existing saved places in Waze so they are easy to recognize every time you drive. If this helped you keep your Waze locations organized, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Waze tips.